Good day viewers, you are welcome. Let's try to provide answer to this problem. But before anything, let's understand the domain. Here is x and this is x plus 2. First is x is a member of real number, but for the case of this x at the denominator, for the domain, x is not equals to 0 and also x is not equals minus 2. So we can escape these two. Any other x in real space satisfy this function. And how can we get f of x? We are going to applying the substitution method by let's say, consider the solution first. If I let x plus 1 over x equals t, and note that we can also rewrite this thing as t equals 1 plus 1 over x. I want to make x the subject of the formula. Here we are going to have t minus 1 equals 1 divided by x. And at the same time, x equals 1 over t minus 1. So on getting this, we are going to substitute this back into the original question, as we have f of t equals 5x minus 4 over x plus 2. But let's treat the denominator first and later the denominator. By replacing x with 1 over t minus 1, we have 5 bracket 1 over t minus 1 minus 4. So this gives us 5 divided by t minus 1 minus 4. So if I divide this 4 by 1, we are going to have 5 minus 4 bracket t minus 1 over t minus 1. And this equals 9 minus 4t divided by t minus 1. And again, let's substitute same value of x into the denominator. So for x equals 1 divided by t minus 1, and considering the denominator, we have x plus 2. So this implies that 1 over t minus 1 plus 2 will be equals 1 plus 2 bracket t minus 1 divided by t minus 1. And again, we have 1 plus 2t minus 2 divided by t minus 1. So this equals 2t minus 1 over t minus 1. So this is for the denominator. And by coupling the two together, so we are going to have f of t equals, so for the first one we know we have 5x minus 4 divided by x plus 2. So for 5x minus 4, we get 9 minus 4t divided by t minus 1. And also this is division, you can change it to short division. And what we get for x plus 2 is 2t minus 1 over t minus 1. So this is equals f of t. For f of t equals, by flipping this, we have this cancelled, and the answer is 9 minus 4t divided by 2t minus 1. And by changing this one to x, we have f of x equals 9 minus 4x divided by 2x minus 1. And note that the x here is not equals 1 over 2. This is only restriction. And this is how to solve this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.